Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Amedis Villa has it all. The wow factor. This stunning 6 bedroom, 7 bath, high-end custom-built villa by the famous Peter Carbone is a one-of-a-kind beauty. It rents often to celebrities and high-end clients for 2,000 USD per night. It is located in Westmoreland, exclusive gated community, Westbay in WhiteHouse. It was built in 2017 and sits on a quarter-acre seafront lot. The villa is 2 stories and can sleep over 12 persons. Spacious bedrooms and modern baths. Open floor plan with kitchen interior and exterior. It even has a state of the art high end gym with full length windows to capture the beautiful views of the Caribbean Sea. All contents are included. Turnkey operation has excellent earning results. This is a rare find, so private and exclusive. Call today for private viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 2.2 million, Jamaican 347 million, Canadian 3.14 million, Euro 2,020,000 or 1.7 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.